Good afternoon and Jai Hind, kids. I'm extremely happy to share my wishes for Children's Day with all of you. Kids, you are my energy, you are my enthusiasm, and you make my life magical. On this occasion, I would want to share that your school, Sunbeam Mughal Sarai, is a place to learn, a place to explore possibilities and opportunities. And the pandemic also, I feel, has been a great opportunity even in a crisis for all of us. It's how you perceive life. Your thoughts transform your being, and you have the power to manifest your thoughts and believe in it and make it happen. You are technically the creator of your own life. For me personally, it is your attitude in life which determines your altitude. Diwali is around the corner, kids. Let's be a little mindful and compassionate and spread smiles all around us. Let us bring joy and a new light for some of us, for some of our near and dear ones. If possible, say no to crackers. If by any chance any of you are feeling a little low, we're always there for you. Just a phone call away. Do connect with us anytime. Please convey our Diwali greetings with your parents and other family members. Thank you and Jai Hind.
फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, पंछी के जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज के जैसे दमकते रहो, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो, मम्मी डैडी का तुम आदर करो, सुंदर भावों से मन को भरो। चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम। नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे आसमान के तारे हैं, नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे आसमान के तारे हैं, नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे आसमान के तारे हैं, नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे आसमान के तारे हैं। कितने प्यारे बच्चे हैं, हम सबके राज दुलारे हैं, कितने प्यारे बच्चे हैं, हम सबके राज दुलारे हैं। इनकी एक मुस्कान से खुश हो जाते हैं हम, इनकी एक मुस्कान से खुश हो जाते हैं हम। 1 2 3 4 चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम। घर आंगन अधूरा इनके बिन स्कूल अधूरा है, घर आंगन अधूरा इनके बिन स्कूल अधूरा है। माता पिता और गुरु का करते हर सपना ये पूरा है, माता पिता और गुरु का करते हर सपना ये पूरा है। सैनिटाइजर और मास्क लगा कर रेडी है हरदम, सैनिटाइजर और मास्क लगा कर रेडी है हरदम। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम, चिकी 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 बम बम। प्यारी है दुनिया इनकी, इनकी प्यारी मुस्कान है। प्यारी है दुनिया इनकी, इनकी प्यारी मुस्कान है। इन बच्चों के मन में बसते अल्लाह और भगवान है। इन बच्चों के मन में बसते अल्लाह और भगवान है। नन्ही मुन्नी है ये लेकिन नहीं किसी से कम। नन्ही मुन्नी है ये लेकिन नहीं किसी से कम। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 चिकी 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 बम बम। चिकी 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 बम बम। चिकी 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 बम बम। चिकी 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 बम बम।
Children, I would really like to take this opportunity to thank you for being who you are. We truly appreciate your uniqueness and would like to celebrate it. This pandemic may have put you away from us in terms of physical distance, but you're not away from our minds and hearts. You're with us every single moment. So while we're so busy teaching you how to live life, you are busy teaching us how life should be lived. I would once again like to take this opportunity to wish you a very, very happy Children's Day and thank you for being who you are. Thank you.
To me, you are the most precious of blessings. I cherish every moment that I spend with you. You are the reason for all our smiles and happiness. Always be the cute and naughty child that you are. A very happy Children's Day. May you have a fun-filled life.
Hello children, how are you? Today is a very special day for you all. You are the shining stars and nation builders. Always stay blessed with never-ending peace, love and protection. Stay blessed, stay healthy and safe. I will sing 2 lines for you, just for you children. बार बार ये दिल ना आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Happy Children's Day to you. Lots of love, children. Happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.
One day I was teaching in the class and one of the child of class 4th asked me a question. Ma'am, don't you think all the problems of the world could be solved if the children decide the matters? I just wondered. And I think it is a very correct solution to all the problems. Happy Children's Day, children. You are the roots of the plant that is growing. And you are also the fruits. Chacha Nehru said that children are the strength of the nation. Always remain a child. The day you cease to be a child, the day would be then when you will stop learning, and then you will be old. So happy Children's Day forever and forever till you remain a child. Thank you.
अरे यार, काफी देर हो गई बैठे हैं कब से, बाकी कहाँ है? और कैसे चल रहा? क्या हो गया? चुपचाप क्यों है? कुछ नहीं यार, क्या बताऊँ मैं? मुझे वो फर्स्ट डे याद आ रहा है जब मैं स्कूल में आई थी होते हुए और मैम ने मुझे सबसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था. यार आई एम वेरी मच कनेक्टेड टू द स्कूल. द स्कूल इज माई फैमिली. एक वो दिन था जब यहाँ आने का मन नहीं होता था और आज का दिन है यार बिल्कुल जाने का मन नहीं हो रहा है आज से. बात तो सही है पर ये सब जब ये स्कूल की गेट से एंट्री ले रही थी, रोते रोते मम्मी स्कूल नहीं जाना, आनी।
Wait, action. We were there and she was coming. Ani was literally, she was crying.
Exactly. याद है मुझे, उस गेट से आई थी मैं।
Yeah, that one.
Come, baby, come. You can have fun there. Come. So many friends are waiting for you. Come, see. Ma'am is there. See.
Oh, hello, beta. How are you? Hello, say hello to ma'am. How are you? How are you? No, my child, don't cry, beta. Let's dance. You enjoy the dance? Yes. So let's dance. Yeah! Wow!
कितनी सी हंसी, कितनी सी खुशी, इतना सा पकड़ा चलता, ख्वाब में दिल से चल बना आशियाँ। कितनी सी हंसी, कितनी सी खुशी, इतना सा पकड़ा चलता, ख्वाब में दिल से चल बना आशियाँ। किसी हंसी, किसी खुशी, इतना सा पकड़ा चलता, ख्वाब में दिल से चल बना आशियाँ।
वापस आ जा। यार तुम लोग मेरा बड़ा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो। मैं तेरी बोल बोलूं?
मेरी कौन सी बोल?
याद है साइंस की क्लास में एक छोटी सी पत्ती ये लेके आया था, बड़ा सा पत्ता।
अरे छोड़ ना यार, मैं उसमें बच्चा था।
ओह, really?
पर कुछ भी कहो, वो डांस क्लास में मजा ही आ जाता था।
वो तो एकदम बिल्कुल सही बात है।
स्टैंड सर्विस सिखाया था लास्ट वाले को। 1 2 3
Night and go for our dance class. Where are you going? It's beautiful. Go back. Come in front. Okay, follow me. Yes,
डांस करना है क्या?
याद है वो एग्जामिनेशन के दिन जब रात भर जाग जाग के पढ़ा करते थे यार, वो रात भर का पढ़ना
और सुबह होके पूरा भूल जाना। ये सबसे ज्यादा ये भूलता था।
एग्जैक्टली।
तुम लोग मेरी बात कर रहे हो बॉस, इस भुलक्कड़ को देख के।
सॉरी, क्या करूं, मैं भूल ही जाती थी। हाँ, भूलने की बीमारी जो है।
Good morning, children. Please sit down. How all of you are? Great. Hope prepared well for final paper today? Again, great. I'm giving you paper and please read it carefully within 2 minutes and then start writing. Shivam, please distribute it. Thank you. First 2 minutes, utilize very properly. Read the question paper very properly and then go ahead with it. Thank you, Shivam. Okay, children, you will start. All the best. Okay, finished? No. If not finished, then it's your problem, children. No. It is very injustice for other classes, children. Please, whatever you have done, I know very well, done well. Please, please correct. Stop. Ritu, Durgeshwari, not good. Shiva, please stop. Sagar, want to mark deduct Sagar? Done. Rashi, mark will be deducted, please. Thank you, Shivam. Okay, children. Goodbye. Go home. Thank you.
एग्जामिनेशन के दौर में
वापस आ जाओ। रिजल्ट का टाइम आने वाला है।
लो, रिजल्ट क्या बात की है, बताओ जरा। याद है कैसे हमारा नाम तो टॉप पे था, इसका सोचो ऊपर से नीचे तक पूरी लिस्ट छान मारी। इस बता कैसे
मेरा नाम Listen guys, top हो चाहे bottom, नाम आता था ना?
आया।
Now see the result. We all are here. Doesn't matter कि top में कौन है, bottom में कौन है.
अच्छा?
Isn't it?
नहीं।
सुना है कि नहीं किसी ने कहा? Last में कौन आता है?
लेट।
Wait, hello. Last में late तो कौन नहीं आता? सुना है dialogue होगा. Last में तो hero की entry होती है.
हीरो। सर।
How are you? Be alert. Today your result will declare.
कैसे एग्जाम गया था? पेपर से What happened, Sagar?
दैट्स व्हाई कहते हैं ना कि लाइफ में अगर एंजॉयमेंट करना है और एंजॉयमेंट को बरकरार रखना है तो अंदर के बचपन को कभी खोया नहीं करते।
बात तो तेरी सही है। ओके, तो इसी बात पे आज एक प्रॉमिस करते हैं। लेट्स मेक अ प्रॉमिस कि चाहे हम जहाँ रहें, जिस जगह पे रहें, पर अपने बचपने को कभी ना भूलेंगे, क्योंकि दिल तो बच्चा है जी।
My school, my pride. It's not just a phrase, but an emotion that all of us have within us. Sometimes when I realize that I am in the last year of my schooling, I get emotional. The thought of leaving this life behind still haunts me sometimes. The clock will strike 7:10, but it will not bring back the excitement that I had within me to learn something new, to discover something new. I'm not very sure where will I be after my 12th, but I'm very sure that wherever I'll be, I'll definitely miss my school. The school that has given me opportunities to develop myself. The school that has given me this confidence by which I'm speaking right now. The school that has developed the culture of Jai Hind within us. The school that has made us what we are today. And that is why I say, more than love, I respect my school. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind to all my dear students. On the occasion of the Children's Day, I, on behalf of all the teachers, staff members, the school management, and my own behalf, I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Students, as you know that we celebrate Children's Day in our country in the memory of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, as he was very fond of children, and we in the school also, we every year celebrate 14th November as the Children's Day. This year it is little bit different due to the pandemic situation, and we wish that every one of you are growing up as a good citizen, as a good student, and as a good child of your parents. Now children, here it is very important for us to understand that in the pandemic situation, we have to keep ourselves very safe. We have to maintain all the hygienic rules properly. Nevertheless, we have to be very, very careful about the people around us. We have to render a lot of care to them. We have to respect every people who lives around us, so that we understand that we live together. So togetherness, when we live and we radiate the happiness from our end, so it brings joy to everyone. So let us make it a way of giving joy to others, and that will be I believe that will be one of the best way to celebrate the Children's Day. Once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you to all of you.